and with me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. You need to begin by choosing clock icon. Now click on alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus one. Now you need to stop an hour and choose ring once or custom. If you wish to choose custom, click on it, tap on repeat and select days of the week. Then go back, click on those switchers next to vibrate and snooze to disable and enable those features and tap on alarm name. Now you can label your alarm however you want to and click on ringtone. Over here, pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you. And go back. You can always click on this device as well, select music from your smartphone and go back. Then save your alarm by choosing this check mark at the top right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can always do that by tapping on it, then making your changes and clicking on the check mark again. If you wish to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it and choose one of those options. In order to turn it back on, click on the same one. You can always delete your alarm by holding it and choosing delete icon at the bottom, then confirming your choice in the pop-up. Lastly, if you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings and adjust all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!